Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you to create board in your Pinterest account. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your internet and you have already logged into your Pinterest account. This process is similar for Android and iOS device. Now let's get straight into the process. Open your Pinterest app. Here I go. At the bottom, you can see different options. Go to your profile option. Now at the right corner at the middle section, you can see that plus icon. Tap on that. You have to choose the option board. Tap on that. Now firstly, you have to give title to your board. Here I will be giving sunsets. Now you can add some collaborators if you want to, but if you don't want to, you don't have to do it. But I will be adding it, so I will be tapping on that icon. Now you have to search for the friend name or by email. Here I will be searching by name. Tap on done. After you are done, tap on done at the top right corner. Now if you want to make this board secret, you have to tap on that icon, but if you don't want to, you don't have to tap on that icon. After you are done, you have to tap on create at the top right corner. You can see that my board has been created. If you want to save some pins to your board, you have to tap on that plus icon. I will be saving few of these pictures. After you are done, you can see your board. You can see that my board has been created. In this way, you can easily create board in your Pinterest account. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. And also hit that bell icon so you get notified every time we post new videos. Thank you.